Good afternoon and happy Friday. This is Paul Reiber with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and we are looking at a super cool 2009 Honda Element with a Freedom Motors converted wheelchair accessible manual passenger side wheelchair ramp. I'm going to take you around this, check out this cool vehicle. It's got some cool wheels on it too. Good looking ride. These Honda Elements are nice. Let me show you this ramp here on the other side. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years, and we have a lot of cool vehicles like this: crossovers, SUVs, trucks. We have Silverados, Sierras, Suburbans. This is just one of hundreds of cool vehicles. We got Kia Sorentos, Kia Souls. Check this out. All right, there's the outside of it. It's a manual entry. And these are almost weightless, very lightweight. So you got a nice huge ramp here. Nice big ramp. This looks brand new. Look, we just did it. Now, both of these seats come out, both on casters, on rollers, so they can come right out. So you could drive from the driver's seat in this vehicle or the passenger seat. You can be the passenger, whichever. Then you got two more people that can ride in the back. These seats look brand new. They're in really good shape. I don't know if they redid the upholstery or what, but they're really nice. Really good looking. Automatic transmission. The floor is brand new. Looks like they just did it. It's a gorgeous vehicle. Very nice. Back in the day, we used to make a whole bunch of these, but we gobbled them all up across the whole country. So I don't know if there's hardly any of these left. These Honda Elements are super cool. They've got the suicide doors also on the passenger or on the driver's side. So this is pretty neat. Very, very cool. Look at all that room you got. Very easy to get in and out from both sides. Again, this is Paul Reiber, Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. This is a beautiful wheelchair accessible 2009 Honda Element. Only has 67,000 miles, very low mileage on it as well. If you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. Check out our entire inventory at freedommotors.com. Please subscribe to my page, hit the button at the end of the video, and have a great day, a great weekend. Bye-bye.